I'm sure you've heard the news, a lost piece of tech history just resurfaced. Stanford found a one-of-a-kind Chinese typewriter in a dusty New York basement. Let's talk about the MingKwai. Patented in 1946 by Lin Yutang, the MingKwai typewriter was decades ahead of its time. Instead of typing by sound, it let users search Chinese characters by shape, making writing faster and smarter. Its magic eye screen showed 8 instant character options, like autocorrect, long before computers. Built with help from American writer Pearl S. Buck and experts at Mergenthaler Linotype, the MingKwai could even type in English, Russian, or Japanese. But after Lin's death, it disappeared. Until now. Stanford restored the only known prototype, complete with its original ink spool, possibly holding Lin's last words. The MingKwai's ideas still power how we type today. You can see this piece of history yourself at Stanford's East Asia Library. Isn't it amazing what we almost forgot?